Hi everyone, it's Loniefe here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to cook fried noodles again, but this is a different noodles and different ingredients. This is a thick white noodles. They call it Udon. But anyway, you can use any type of noodles, different vegetables, and this time I'm going to show you how to cook these noodles. For the ingredients, we have udon, chicken slices, pepper, carrots, onions, spring onions, and asparagus. Of course, we use light soy sauce for the flavor. Now, all the ingredients are ready. Remember guys, you can use different vegetables that you fancy. We used olive oil or any oil that you like to use, but for me, I always used olive oil and light soy sauce for the sauce. I used light soy sauce because it gives a lot of flavor for the food. No need to put any salt or something. Now to start with, I'm going to put oil. Now, once the oil is heated, I'm going to put spring onions. That's the first thing will go in. Fry lang natin yung onions hanggang sa mag-brown. Next is the chicken. So, ilagay natin yung chicken. Tapos, i-fry lang natin hanggang sa mag-brown. Ayan. I think the chicken is now brown. So, next step is to put vegetables. The first one to go in is carrots, and then pepper, and fry lang natin, and about 1 minute. Then put some soy sauce to flavor. Ayan, haluin lang natin ng haluin hanggang sa ilagay na natin yung sunod na gulay, yung asparagus. Then, haluin lang natin ulit until the vegetable will half cooked. Ayan, ilagay na natin yung noodles. Tapos, haluin lang natin hanggang sa maghiwala yung noodles. Ayan, we're going to put spring onions. Kasi luto na to siya. Kaya, ihalo lang natin yung last na garnishing niya, yung spring onions. Ayan guys, it's so simple. Just fried chicken, vegetables, noodles, put some soy sauce. That's it. Done. Delicious. that's done. Here you are, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and press the notification button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.